Now, when the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. They feeling very this hungry. They want something to eat. It began to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast, so it grows very rapidly. Means it eat on the leaf with where the egg came out, that only the leaf it eat, and after eating so much it suddenly become big. It is a very fast process. A new term, molt means to shed old skin to make a way for the new growth, means taking out of the old skin. When skin is taken out and new skin comes. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in the skin anymore. But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds the old skin, that is its mold. Then, because this is a caterpillar, now it has to become like a butterfly. So in 2-3 days this skin will go out. Growth is taking place, the skin will grown out, and suddenly it become a very big butterfly. So the old skin comes out and the new skin is inside. It take in the shape. Okay, this is called a process of taking out of the old skin and taking in a new skin. Molt. This is called molt. Okay, this is a very fast process. The caterpillar tiger butterfly, which I told you, this is the same process. Now next page, what is there? Again it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly in 2 or 3 days. Then again it eat the leaves fast and continue to grow very fastly. It grows in 2-3 days. It molts a second time. Now second time again it take out the old skin and take in the new skin. In this way a molt 4 times. It do this way 4 times, taking out the old skin and taking in the new skin. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. It remains in the caterpillar stage in 10 to 12 days. Okay, it is in that 10 to 12 days. Just before the last molt, the caterpillar weaves. The last when process is there, the changing of, it weaves button of a silky thread. It weaves like this. Inside it's a caterpillar. They are weaving and it is making like a net type, silky type, stalk or a leaf or hang, and it hang on that itself from it. When it's small, this time it forms a pupa. Then inside it again take out the skin, which is the next stage of its growth, and it is the next stage. The pupa of a butterfly, now it is a pupa of a butterfly, is also called a chrysalis. Yeah, this is called chrysalis. Okay, a butterfly emerges from the caterpillar. This is a chrysalis. So this is that butterfly. It is making like this. You can see it remain inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. It will be inside in this for the 11 to 12 days. It is inside there. It does not eat anything during this stage. It is fully covered, so it cannot come out. So he will be hungry. He is not eating anything. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes take place in the body. The growth of the plain tiger gets completely inside the chrysalis. Now slowly it becomes into a butterfly inside this net type. The growth of the plain butterfly get completely inside the changes. Then the adult butterfly emerges from the plane. Then butterfly comes out. It breaks that chrysalis and come out. It now has 4 attractive wings. They have beautiful attractive wings, 4 to fly, and 6 long leg, and big long leg is there, very thin. All butterfly go through these stages of growth. All the butterfly have the same stages of growth. Do you know For each type of butterfly, the type of plants and on whose leaf its female will lay eggs is fixed. Okay, this is the, I told you na, they want that one leaf, particular plant, so this is fixed. The time the larva takes to emerge from the egg, it different from different types of butterfly. There is a great variety in caterpillar, because you have seen butterflies are very different from each other. They, some are big, some are small, some designs are different. So caterpillar also different types of caterpillar are of different colors, and colors are also different, designs are also different, because butterfly also different in shape and size, color. Their body is long. Caterpillar body is very long, like a worm. Many type of caterpillars are hairy, means there are many hairs on their body. Okay, hairy. The next page, this is a various type of butterfly. See this butterfly, this butterfly, this. So their caterpillar also different. Do you know, after we have cleaned the grain we buy, we store it in a box. Even then, when we open the box after some days, we may see some insect in it. Yeah, I have seen it, because some insect, because of the moisture, they lay egg there. By the time when we close that, by mistakenly, some carelessness, one fly was there inside that, trapped in that, and we close it. Because of the warmness and the moisture comes out, and they like that this temperature, and they lay eggs. In that legs, they slowly insects comes out. There can be insect in the grain stored in places where the warehouse, in the grocery shop, or even at house. Now, if a female insect lay egg in this grain, we cannot see them because of the tiny size. We cannot see in the grain it is egg is there, because it is very small. The warmth and the air they get inside the box in which grain is stored is enough for them to grow. It is closed and they need moisture type, so their growth continue inside the box. It can keep on continuing till when we are not opened it. They also have the same stage. They become worm, then they become larva, pupa, adult. Then adult means their final growth. When we open the box, we see the insects in the grain at the different stages. It is eventually they open. We see sometimes worm, small worm. Sometimes we see black like a ant type, or sometimes it flies away. That is the adult stage. Okay. Now what we learned, that we see. A hen sit on her eggs to hatch them. The fully grown chicks break the eggshell and comes out. Egg, caterpillar, larva, chrysalis, pupa, and the adult are the 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. The plain butterfly, tiger butterfly, lays its egg on the leaf of the milkweed. They want this type of leaf. Okay, plant. The larva emerges from the egg. It is called the caterpillar. When the growth of the caterpillar is complete, it enters the pupa stage, during which it lives inside the chrysalis. This is a chrysalis. Okay. The adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. It has 6 long legs and 4 attractive wings. Always remember, butterflies are a part of our environment. It is wrong to catch butterfly just for fun and to keep them lay with a string. We should not harm them. Some children, just because of its beauty and it is very innocent, it cannot do anything, so they just catch them and they tear their wings, or they sometimes tie their strings and make them like a kite. This is really bad. We should not harm any innocent things. If anybody harms us, what do you feel if somebody tie you with a rope? So same thing it is. So we should not harm them. It is a beautiful creature, innocent creature. So this lesson is over. I hope you have understood very clearly. I have read each and every line. So please study well. If you like it, please share it and subscribe it and comment it. Thank you for watching. I will send you notes with explaining the notes also in my next video. So stay safe. Bye. Take care.